How to buy the PUBG UC from Tonkeeper. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can buy PUBG UC from the Tonkeeper application. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open the application of Tonkeeper. Just sign in if you have an account. If you don't, then you'll need to create an account first, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Tonkeeper. So after that, you'll have to click on this browse option at the bottom right, and after that you can just click on all over here and then click on token store, and after that you'll be redirected to the tokenstore.io. So here under the section of games, you can just click on see all if you cannot find PUBG over here, but you can see that I'm having PUBG over here, so I'm just going to click on PUBG Mobile. If you cannot find, then you can just click on see all and search for PUBG. And after I click on PUBG, I'll be redirected over here, and then just click on PUBG Mobile. And now this is the UCs which I need. So you can just add to cart if you have enough balance. So just add to cart and buy that, and write down your PUBG ID and just buy that. So that is basically how you can buy the PUBG UC from the Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.